We're out at Bodangora Wind Farm in central west of New South Wales today, installing some quoll dens and nesting boxes for sugar gliders and possums. What I love about Iberdrola is that we always have that underlying purpose of a circular economy and giving back to the environments in which we operate. Iberdrola as a group also has a target of being net positive in biodiversity. Projects like this really contributes to that global goal that Iberdrola has.
The Spotted-tail Quoll is a listed threatened species. They were recorded on site historically and also during the planning stage for this project. They have their own predators, foxes and cats. So why we're here today is to put in these artificial habitats where they can den, where they can breed.
We are also installing nesting boxes for other creatures that live up in the trees, like gliders and possums, so hopefully encourage them to also come out here and not just focus on one species, but the entire ecosystem.
And we've been placing the boxes and then we've been covering them with soil, rocks, bark and things like that to make them really blend in. So really trying to blend them in so they look as natural as possible and to ensure that the habitat is attractive to the quolls.
Throughout my degree, we heard a lot of stories about well-intentioned companies going onto sites, installing habitats on the lands in which they are operating. But unfortunately, they only last about 8 to 10 years.
So we've designed our products to last in the field for 40, 50 years. Each of our dens and the nest boxes are being installed with cameras on them today. All that data goes straight to the cloud and can provide that straight back to Iberdrola at the end of the project.
It's been a great team bonding experience working with colleagues I don't normally see on a day-to-day basis, and really just putting the turbines in the front of everyone's minds that we report on and talk about every day back in the office.
It was hard work, so yeah, I'm a bit tired from logging all the rocks and sticks, but it's definitely worth it to help the quolls here.
We love working with a partner like Iberdrola, where we can keep coming back and see that these projects are actually helping out the species that we want and seeing those populations grow over time.
So the smoking ceremony this morning I think was a very important start to the day. It gave everyone a chance to stop and acknowledge the traditional owners of the land, and also made everybody think about Iberdrola's purpose in bringing along local communities in Australia's renewable transition. And of course, at the core of Iberdrola Group's purpose is our social licence and respecting our stakeholders, which includes local custodians of our lands.